With object storage, developers can easily get the storage endpoints without having to go through ticketed systems, right? Create mount points and the likes. The standardization on the S3 protocol is key. This is the de facto standard of the public cloud, and that's what you want in your data center as well. The whole distributed and scale out design of object storage makes it a perfect fit for modern apps, right? The whole microservices architecture is distributed, so you want your storage systems to also be distributed, and that's where object storage is again a perfect fit. You can easily scale storage with your application needs, and the whole object storage uh, aspect being perfect for unstructured data, whether it's video, media, logs, anything. It makes it a very very good fit for running a wide variety of use cases, and not being limited to one specific type of data, whether it's transaction data or unstructured. Everything can go into object storage. That's why it's a best fit for modern applications, and that's why it's getting the most adoption for modern application. Why on-prem? Well, using cloud services is like staying in a hotel. It's simple, agile, but it can be expensive. We all know that. We've all been there. It's great for a few nights, but you can't make your residence there. We are seeing some customers move their workloads on-prem from the cloud. At one point, this was termed as cloud repatriation, but what's becoming more apparent is there is going to be a coexistence of on-prem cloud, public cloud, and the whole hybrid cloud era is a reality. So invest in object storage on-prem so that you can, whatever you built for your cloud services can go anyway. The data mobility piece is going to be huge, right? Again, why on-prem is important? Well, there's always going to be data gravity. That's a real term, yeah, right? So wherever moving applications and services data is going to be important, because there's definitely going to be some data that you will never be able to move onto the public cloud. Data sovereignty in especially in a lot of EMEA countries, rest of the world countries, is a reality. It's becoming a big deal, right? This is due to security and compliance requirements. That's where on-premises object storage is also important. And then, of course, the last piece is data protection, right? Other than for modern application development, object storage can also be used as a backup target for traditional applications. The one of the biggest use cases for Cloudian has been data protection with our key partners like Veeam and some of the other data protection partners, to be able to protect your data from deletion and from malicious attacks like ransomware. So all of these things to put together tells you the reason why you need to consider object storage for your modern application infrastructure, and why on premises is a key piece